Choosing the right blender can feel like a daunting task, especially when faced with the diverse offerings of a brand like Ninja. But fear not, fellow smoothie and food prep enthusiasts. I've delved into the world of Ninja blenders to bring you a deep review of their top 5 models in 2024. Here's a breakdown of their strengths, weaknesses, and who they're best suited for. Number 1. Ninja Twist iBlender Duo Compact Ninja. This space-saving wonder is perfect for small kitchens or apartments. Its 700-watt motor tackles frozen fruits and veggies with ease, making smooth smoothies and dips. Versatile cups. 2 single-serve cups with lids are ideal for personal blends and on-the-go convenience. But be aware, larger batches require multiple blending cycles. Cleaning concerns. While dishwasher-safe cups simplify cleanup, the base unit requires hand washing, which can be inconvenient. Best for single dwellers, minimalists, or those with limited counter space. Number 2. Ninja BL610 Professional Countertop Blender. Powerhouse performance. This 1100-watt beast pulverizes anything you throw at it, from ice cubes to nuts. It's ideal for large families or frequent smoothie makers. Multiple functions. 7 pre-programmed settings automate tasks like crushing ice, making smoothies, and preparing frozen drinks. Plus, manual controls offer flexibility. Size matters. This blender is bulky and heavy, taking up precious counter space. Cleaning the large pitcher can also be cumbersome. Best for large families, serious smoothie enthusiasts, or those who frequently prepare frozen treats. Number 3. Ninja SS101 Foodie Smoothie Maker Smoothie Specialist. This single-serve wonder excels at creating creamy, delicious smoothies thanks to its 1,000-watt motor and unique built-in tamper. Bonus functionality. The included smoothie bowl maker attachment lets you blend directly into a bowl for an easy and mess-free breakfast. Limited versatility. This blender is primarily for smoothies and smoothie bowls, not ideal for hot blending or food processing. Best for smoothie lovers who prioritize convenience and smooth texture. Number 4. Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro Blender Personal Power. This compact 900-watt blender packs a punch, effectively blending frozen ingredients and creating nutrient-packed smoothies. Single-serve focus. 3 included cups with lids make personal blending and grab-and-go smoothies a breeze. Limited capacity. The small cups restrict batch sizes, making it less suitable for large families or frequent entertaining. Best for individuals who prefer personal-sized portions and value portability. Number 5. Ninja SS351 Foodie Power Blender Ultimate Ninja. This top-of-the-line powerhouse boasts a 1,400-watt motor and IntelliBoost technology for tackling even the toughest ingredients. Versatility champion. From hot soups to nut butter, this blender handles practically any food prep task with ease. Its large pitcher is perfect for families or parties. Pricey powerhouse. This is the most expensive Ninja on the list, so be prepared for a premium investment. Best for food prep enthusiasts, large families, or those who demand versatility and top-tier performance.